All right, welcome. Today, we're going to explore 3 super simple, everyday foods that can help your body's amazing natural ability to heal and repair itself. So many of us have this idea that as we get older, things just kind of break down and that damage is permanent. But what if that isn't the whole story? Let's look at a biological truth that might really change how you see things. It's absolutely true. Right now, as you're listening to this, your body is hard at work. In fact, just in the next few minutes, it'll make millions of new cells to repair and replace old ones. It's this non-stop, incredible cycle of renewal. And this isn't some tiny process happening in the background. Think about it. That little paper cut you got last week, it's probably totally healed by now. That's your body's repair system kicking into high gear. Your skin renews itself roughly every month, your gut lining in just a few days. Even your bones are constantly rebuilding themselves. So, if you're feeling kind of run down or achy or just not 100%, it's probably not because your body's repair system is broken. It's more like the repair shop is just, it's missing the parts it needs to actually do the job. Okay, so let's jump right in with our first superfood. This one provides the absolute fundamental materials your body needs to get to work on repairs. Your body is literally built out of protein. We're talking everything, your muscles, your organs, even the cells in your immune system. And eggs, they're often called the gold standard of protein, and for good reason. They have all 9 of the essential amino acids. Think of those like different kinds of Lego blocks. You need every single one of those 9 types to build whatever your body needs to fix, and eggs give you the complete set. Now, this might actually surprise you. For years, we were all told to just eat the egg whites, right? Skip the yolk. But look at this. When you do that, you're literally throwing away over half of the good stuff. The yolk is an absolute powerhouse of vitamins and a really important nutrient called choline. And that choline is a huge deal. It's essential for building the membranes around your brain cells, it's crucial for memory, and for keeping your liver healthy. But, as this research shows, most of us just are not getting enough. And guess what? Egg yolks are one of the best natural sources out there. And this just shows you perfectly how science evolves. For decades, eggs got a really bad rap, blamed for heart disease. But what we know now from huge studies is that for most healthy people, the cholesterol you eat doesn't really raise the cholesterol in your blood. Your liver just kind of adjusts and makes less. So no, eggs aren't the villain, they're providing the tools for repair. Okay, on to our second food. So if eggs are the building blocks, then this next one is all about managing the entire repair operation from the body's control center, your gut. It is almost impossible to wrap your head around this number, but your gut is home to trillions, with a T, of microorganisms. This whole community is called your gut microbiome, and you're not going to believe how much it weighs. That's right, all those tiny organisms together weigh about as much as your brain. And this microbiome does so much more than just digest food. It's like a powerful command center that influences your immune system, inflammation, and even signals to your brain. So here's the kicker. A staggering 70% of your immune system is located right there, in your gut. So what does that mean? It means if your gut is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation all over your body, which basically puts the brakes on all those repair processes we've been talking about. And this is where foods like Greek yogurt and kefir are amazing. They deliver live beneficial bacteria, we call them probiotics, that help strengthen your gut and calm down all those inflammatory signals. And when your system is calm, your body's repair crew can work way more efficiently. But, and this is a huge but, you gotta choose the plain, unsweetened kind. All that added sugar you find in flavored yogurts, it actually disrupts the balance in your gut, pretty much canceling out all the good you're trying to do. It basically feeds the wrong crowd down there. Okay, so we've got the building blocks and we've got the control center, but every operation needs a power supply to make it all run, right? And that brings us to our third food. Bananas are packed with potassium, and it's a seriously underrated mineral. It's absolutely essential for your nerves and muscles to work right. We're talking everything from a simple muscle contraction to keeping your heart beating steadily. And yeah, a lot of us just don't get enough of it. And here is where it all connects so beautifully. Bananas also have something called prebiotic fiber. Think of this as fertilizer for all those good bacteria in your gut. So a banana doesn't just give you energy, it also supports that control center we were just talking about. Now for the really cool part. let's put all three of these foods together and see how they work as a team, creating this powerful effect that's so much more than each one on its own.
You see, it's a complete system. The eggs bring the high-quality protein and all the nutrients to do the actual building. The yogurt gets the gut in order, controlling inflammation so the work can get done. And then the bananas come in with the potassium and energy to power the whole operation. This isn't some new, complicated diet fad. It's just a simple, science-backed way to give your body the nutritional support that works with its natural design. You're just giving the system what it needs to win. Your body is incredibly smart. It is always, always trying to heal itself. It's not broken. So the most important thing to remember is the information you give it. Food isn't just fuel, it's a set of instructions. By consistently giving your body the right signals with simple, powerful foods, you're empowering its natural, built-in ability to repair itself and to really thrive. The choice of what instructions you send, well, that's yours every single day.